Good morning. Warm welcome as well from my side. It's really exciting to be here. So many people are at this conference. Congratulations to the conference organizers that so many participants are here at this 13th conference here in Czech Republic. So it's an honor for me and a pleasure for me to be here and to give a short introduction about the association I'm representing today. It's Eurobitume. Some of you might know it, but I would like to explain a little bit more about the association today. So what is our vision? Our vision is that Eurobitume is the first reference for the bitumen industry in Europe. And I think we do here an excellent job already, and I would like to explain you a little bit more what we are doing as an association. But first, coming to our mission. So our mission of this association is to promote the efficient and economic, effective and safe use of refined bitumen in road, industrial, and building applications. So we would like to provide clarity on technical, health, and safe issues, and we would like to create a positive environment for the sustained bitumen demand based on the communication of the product benefits. And I think this we can enable with our excellent network within our members, but as well with our partners, for example, with IAPA, with whom we are doing quite a lot of things during the year. So here you can see the members I'm representing today. So we have in the association 28 member companies. So 13 of them we call core members. These are the bitumen producers and the companies who are selling the bitumen to the market. So you can see here the big bitumen and oilcos as members of this association. But we have as well 15 associate members who are doing producing additives which are necessary for P&B modification, for example, or doing bitumen transports, research, so we have as well a laboratory as a member in our association. And we hope and we are convinced that we will continue to grow in the future so that we strengthen our voice for the bitumen industry here in Europe. So how we are organized? So our central office is based in Brussels, so like the office from IAPA. But we have, additional to the central organization of Eurobitume, 5 local representatives. So the bigger ones are Eurobitume Deutschland, which is following ABIT, was the previous name of this local representation. We have a big local representation in UK and in France as well. But additional to those three big local initiatives, we have as well one in Benelux and in Switzerland, where those 5 local representations are supporting the members who are active in these various countries. So how we are organized or what we are doing in this association. So we have 3 expert committees. So the first one is the technical committee, which is very important. So here we're talking about test methods or product specifications and so on and so forth. The second one is the Public Relation and Communication Committee, which is getting more and more important. So we would like to talk about our product, about our relationship to our partners, and about the benefits of using bitumen and the asphalt mixtures. And very important that the third committee is the Health, Safety, and Environment Committee. So what we are doing in the various committees, here are some examples. So here are 2 examples for the HSE committee. So beneath the committee, we have established various task forces. So you can see here one task force which is dealing with safe handling of hot bitumen, which is key. And I think everybody here in the room who is dealing with this product knows that hot bitumen might be dangerous. So you can burn easily, but there are other risks as well. So we produce a safe delivery guideline, not only in English, so we have translated this safe delivery guideline in various languages, which you can download on our website. We have produced a loading compatibility matrix, which is very important because we saw from the past that sometimes people are mixing various products, specifically if you mix emulsions with bitumen, that's highly risky. So here, if you look on this compatibility matrix, you know what product you can load before you load bitumen. And as well, we are currently working together with the Energy Institute in the UK, a bitumen safety code. The second very important task force is the hydrogen sulfate task force. So here we have produced a wallet card, which gives you information about what are the risks in relation with bitumen in relation with H2S. So as well, this safety card or wallet card we have translated in various languages, and I think everybody who is handling this product specifically, transporting this product or operating bitumen tanks, it's worth to have a look on this document to get more specific information on this topic. But we do as well local support on HSE tasks. So you probably have already got the information that in Germany, currently the Argos, it's a regulatory association, is the consideration of implementation of an AOL value. So we are waiting, the meeting was this week, so we're waiting, or last week, so we're waiting now what they have decided to see what is the impact then on our industry, but as well on you as an asphalt producer. That's one initiative what we are supporting, and as well, which is very interesting, and here I would like to go a little bit more in details, is a toolbox talk workshops. These are documents which you can use if you talk about safe handling of bitumen. So this was established and developed in the UK, but I think we are now in the phase of translating it or transforming it to Europe as well. So if you would like to get here some more information, you can go to our website and enter here in the search box Toolbox Talks. Then you will get some further information, and then at the end you will see this list of presentations which you can download and which you can use as well in your company to discuss about safe handling of bitumen. So you see here various documents. For example, one is about the bitumen discharging, what you should take care for, or if you have an emergency safety shower on your asphalt mixing plant, which is recommended to have such one on your mixing plant. Or there's one presentation about personal protective equipment, what is necessary if you are dealing with this product, so what kind of equipment you need, and so on and so forth. So these are very nice presentation right now in English, but you can use this in your company as well, or if you talk with your transport company to check with them if they do the transport of the product in a proper way, and if everybody is wearing the right personal protective equipment. So this was everything, or some ideas of what we are doing in the HSE committee. So the second very important one is the technical committee. Here I would like to show you some highlights, what we are currently working on or what we have already published on our website. So you can get here technical information sheets from our website about those test methods which are listed here on this slide. Again, they were translated in various languages already. You see it here on the slide in Spanish, English, Italian, Portuguese, German, France, and other languages as well. And we are continuously translating them to give a proper advice to all companies, laboratories who are testing our product, that everybody is doing it in the same way. So it's a technical description what you can download there, but there is well some movies on the website where it's explained how to perform the various tests. And I think specifically the first two, everything which is linked with dynamic shear emitter, these are very important test methods for the future, and I think everybody who is dealing with our product should get familiar with this test method. So other task forces in the technical committee, so there is one which is handling the topic life cycle inventory. So we have reviewed and reworked our previous life cycle inventory, what we had for bitumen. So it's done. It's a reviewed document what we have produced. It will be published hopefully in December or by end of this year. So where you get a CO2 footprint for our bitumen product, which everybody can use here in this room. So they have another task force is CE marking, because everybody is talking about how to mark the product properly. And we have established here a task force as well, so that every bitumen producer is more or less doing the CE marking, so these administrative jobs in the same way. Okay. So that customers can easily read the documents which are related with the bitumen product. And we have as well a task force which is dealing with product specification, because continuously harmonized product specifications are going on in Europe. Right now it's the polymer modified standard which is in reviewing process, and clear we as an industry try to give you inputs as well that our products are described properly. What we have established this year is a steering group of experts from all our member companies talking and discussing and preparing us for the topic sustainability. Everybody's talking about sustainability. It's a hot topic across Europe, across all industries. So, and as well, we recognize that we have to have a closer look on this topic, and that's the reason why we have formed this steering group. And the goal of this group is to develop a set of fact-based positions on external and external messaging that provide answers to questions and a balanced perspective on bitumen with reference to 3 different work areas. So we have a closer look on this to give, in a couple of months, a position of us as an industry to this topic. So the 3 key areas where we would like to have a closer look on is the product life cycle aspect. So we have already produced our life cycle inventory, but we continue to look on this topic in the future. Secondary materials is a hot topic. I think that's something what will impact our industry in the next years quite significantly. I think Carsten will mention afterwards as well something about this topic, and I saw on the list of presentation that people will talk about secondary materials which they would like to use in asphalt roads. And we, as a bitumen producer, we would like to give as well our position on this topic. And the third important pillar is, everybody is informed about climate changes. So as well, we have to contribute to this topic. And circularity, circular economy is as well a hot topic where we would like to give our position in this field. So the third committee, what I would like to mention is the PRC committee. So what we are doing here, we are getting more and more active on this topic over the last years. So we are launching campaigns about our product because I think we have a lot of positive things, we as bitumen producer, but I think even more you as a user of the product and as a producer of asphalt mixtures, of asphalt roads. I think we have really a lot of positive messages which we should share with the community, with our customers, and we would like to support our industry, but as well our customers with positive messages what we give outside. We are publishing reports about various research topics, what we are dealing with. We are communicating about events, either the events what we are organizing, but as well events what somebody else is organizing, and communication is key in the future. So we have our website, what I already mentioned before, so please have a look on it. It's eurobitume.com if you would like to get here some more informations. We are active on social media, and what is really very important for us, Eurobitume, but as well EAPA, we are organizing together the next, the 7th E&E Congress. I think you are already aware of. I think by this week or next week the registration phase is starting, so you can register for this congress. It's a congress which takes place every 4 years, next time in Madrid. So I would like to invite you to get there. It's, I think, one of the best technical conferences what we have in Europe. And yeah, hopefully we see you there in May 2020. So my last slide is, you probably know it or you have seen it on our website already. We as an association, we are celebrating this year's our 50 years anniversary. So 50 years we are already working in this field, and hopefully the next 50 years again that we are contributing to this field of bitumen and asphalt production. And I've talked before with Peter. He told me the local association is now 30 years old. So hopefully in 12 years we can celebrate together as well here, 50 years Asphalt Pavement Association here in Czech Republic. So many thanks for your attention and great success for this excellent event here. Thank you.